morning. We're going to find our way, hopefully this morning, to Chinatown, have a bit of a look. Exciting. Chinatown, the markets maybe, or shops. I wouldn't mind going to McDonald's, to be honest, but I don't think we'll be going there. Okay, in the monorail, the MRT of Singapore at Vivo City downstairs. I've been sacked as navigator, which is good. Shane's in charge, so we'll probably end up where we're meant to go. Hey, it's that long we could probably walk there. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not tall, but I'm too tall for the things. Hey, I feel tall. Because I'm banging my head.
Your seats are there.
Is it? A special seat. Seat for one? Let's go with the door open. This one?
Yes.
This is my stop, but not their stop. We're here. Oh, it even says Chinatown on the sign. So Lim Chi Yuan in the market in Chinatown. But it's raining. It never rains in Singapore. So, we'll find what we can undercover. I don't want to get my hair wet. The rain has stopped. Oh, you make suits. Australia. South Australia. So, how much does a suit cost? $188. Really? That's not very dear. That's cheap. Yeah, how many days?
Tomorrow ready for you.
Ready by tomorrow. I might have a quick look.
Come, sir, have a look inside.
Have a look.
Okay,
Okay, you've convinced me. Nice dresses.
Nice dresses for your wife.
Yeah, she's here somewhere. She's behind
Here
me.
somewhere. But of course she's not hiding, right?
Oh no, she's in the jewelry shop.
Oh,
2
in the
doors
jewelry
down.
shop.
Yeah. Do you make the
Yeah.
clothing as well?
We make clothing as well.
Yeah, right.
We are the tailors too, sir.
Yeah, you wouldn't want me to make a shirt.
I want you to make, but cannot force you, sir.
I'd be terrible if I made one.
Why?
One arm would be longer than the other and uneven if I made it.
Oh, I
Thank you.
All right.
Little fans. Nice chopsticks. They're the good luck ones. Said on there, good luck. airline. Oh, wait. Dragon. Dragon, that's good. Nice. The pipes.
Hi, yes. Hello.
It's a very big pipe. Masks. Mobile. Nice sword.
The feng shui.
No
Black
knife?
feng shui.
No knife?
Yeah, old is old.
Oh, yes. It looks old. Don't like the look of the hat, but I do like the beer. Ah, sale. Look. $1. $1. These are pretty cool. Singapore sling even has the ingredients, tells you how it's made. Some coasters. They can't be $1. They're pretty good. It's a very Asian-y type shirt. Yellow. 3 for $10. Hat. If I could go a hat. It's in here. Do not enter. Does that include the camera? It's a lighter. Electric lighter. I don't know if I could take that on the plane. I quite like that. Ooh, what I don't like is how I break everything. There we go. Put that one back. And that one. Upstairs is a food court or a hawker centre. And surprisingly, it actually smells pretty good. I would say normally these places don't smell the greatest, but this one does. It smells pretty good. Well, I'm going to say those kitchens are all little, but they're very, very clean. Very clean.
Coffee is no yellow. The Indian bison one.
Coins.
The yellow don't have. Makan already.
They must know what they're looking for. But not being a professional coin collector, I don't have a clue. Oh, wow, that is heavy as. Do not fall over. Found a big temple. I'm not sure if we can go inside or not. Take the old hat off. Everyone else is coming in. Yeah. Incredible. Wow, is that not impressive? Okay. Might be worth also taking a couple of photos, not just some video. Wow. Okay. Very impressive. I'm going to be honest, a lot of the meaning is lost on me here. It's not something I've ever looked into, but just the spectacular of the place. It's very impressive. Kind of worth a look, even if it's all kind of lost on you. Okay, well, that was peaceful. Try and find the others now. The lanterns.